Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Kenton, Michigan is a small community in the western Upper Peninsula located in Houghton County. It sits along the west branch of the Ontonagon River, surrounded by dense forest and rugged terrain. Today, Kenton has a population of only a few dozen residents, giving it a remote and peaceful character that reflects much of the surrounding region. The history of Kenton is closely tied to the lumber industry, which brought early growth to this part of Michigan in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The community was established as a logging town, and like many towns in the Upper Peninsula, it depended heavily on timber for its economy. Sawmills operated in the area, and rail lines were built to move lumber out to larger markets. Remnants of old rail grades and logging routes can still be found in the surrounding forests, offering a glimpse into how the area once operated during its busiest years. While little of the original town infrastructure remains, the landscape itself tells the story of industry, migration, and the cycle of growth and decline that shaped many small towns across northern Michigan. As the logging industry declined in the early 20th century, Kenton's population began to shrink. The forests that had once fueled the economy were gradually depleted, and many residents moved on in search of work elsewhere. Over time, the town transitioned from a bustling logging hub to a quiet rural settlement. While much of the original industry is gone, the surrounding forests have regenerated, and the area has returned to a more natural state. Today, Kenton is known more for its access to the outdoors than for industry. The nearby Ottawa National Forest offers opportunities for hiking, fishing, hunting, and exploring the wilderness. The west branch of the Ontonagon River continues to flow through the area, attracting anglers and nature enthusiasts. Though small, Kenton reflects a broader story common across the Upper Peninsula, a rise driven by natural resources, followed by decline and a return to quiet rural life. Thanks for watching!